Hey guys, today we will see joins in LINQ. We use joins when we want to fetch data from more than one table, and based on our condition we use different kind of joins. In this video we will discuss three type of joins: inner join, left join and cross join. First let's talk about inner join. In LINQ, an inner join is used to combine data from two or more tables based on a common field or key. The result set contains only the records that have matching values in both tables. Let me share with you a table structure by using which we will implement all our examples of these three joins. Here we have a main table, student and course. One student can have many courses and one course can be selected by many students. So these both the tables have many-to-many relationship. To resolve this many-to-many relationship, we have a table student course. In student course, we have primary keys of both the tables. So this is the basic structure of these three tables. Now if I want to extract student name and course's name, then I will use joins to get data from both the tables. First, I'm going to extract data from both the tables by using inner join. Here I have declared a variable student course. Our first table which we get from our DB context is students, and then write join, and second table will be student courses. Now I'm going to write the condition on which basis we will write the join in between both the tables. Our third join will be on course table, by which we will extract course names. Now on basis this inner join, I am going to select the attributes student ID which we get from std.id, student name which we also extract from students table std.name, then course name, and we will extract this course name from courses table. Now let's print the inner join result. So it prints all the matching student names and course names. Second, we will see left join in LINQ. A left join in LINQ allows you to combine two sequences based on a common property, where all the elements from the left sequence are included in the result set and the matching elements from the right sequence are included if they exist. In left join, we can extract all the values from the left table and only matching values from the right table. Now let's see its practical example. Here again I am going to declare a variable students in which we will store our left join result. First I have selected my left table which is student table, and after join our second table will be student courses, and after implementing the condition I am going to save this second query's result in a group by using into variable. So our second query's result will be saved in this courses group. Now what I have done with this second table group, I have mentioned that if our course is empty, then it will assign the default value, which means that it will select all the values from the student table and all the matching values from the student course table. Now let's select the attributes student ID, student name and course name. Now here we are not having course table, but we can get it from the hierarchy. So course.course.name. Now let's print it. Now as you can see, it shows the result of our main table which is student table, and if there is course name is null, it shows the default or empty value against it. Now in this way our left join will always work if we have navigational properties or not. There is another way to implement left join, but in this case we must have to handle our foreign keys references. Now let's suppose we have implemented our foreign key references properly. By using this kind of left join, we will get hierarchical data, and I am going to use flown structure for this kind of left join. db context.students.include and student course dot then include course. Now first we have a table which is our main table is students table. From student table we get our student course table, and from student course table we get course table. Now hierarchically we are moving from one table to another table. Let me show you its hierarchical structure in debug mode. Now as you can see here we have 15 students, because in this case total rows will be managed by on the main table. Now as you can see count is 0 against student course in both the rows first and second. In third row as we have two courses so it showed 2 counts, and in student course we also have course object. So in this way we can also implement left join, but we'll get the result in hierarchical form. So if we want to use flat object then we will use previous left join, but if we need hierarchical data in our result then we will use this left join. Another join we need to discuss here is that cross join. In LINQ, a cross join is the type of join that returns the Cartesian product of two sequences. In other words, it returns all possible combinations of elements from both the sequences, and it's also called outer join. I actually want the result in this way that every student name will print out with every course. In this case, I will simply write two from statements which will extract data from students and courses, and then I will select its attributes like one is student name, student ID, and then course name. Also in this cross or outer join we don't need to implement any condition. Now let's print it. Now as you can see it's printing all the courses against each student. So this was the cross join in which we extract without specifying any condition. This is it for today. Hope you understand these three kind of joins: outer join, left join, and inner join. If you have any question or query you can ask in comments. Thanks for watching.